September 25th here in beautiful northwest Wisconsin. Cows are happy, as you can hear. Pheasants behind us, they're happy too. We're going to hopefully go through 2 hives here, and they're happy also. This is Hive 2, and this is Hive 1. Hive 2, we were able to go through about 2 weeks ago. Never found the queen, but seen plenty of evidence. Bees are real angry and ornery, thinking it was from the dearth, so I've been feeding them sugar water since. So I'm curious to see if they'll let me back in here and check things out. Alright, let's see. I put about 1.5 gallons in here about 3 days ago. Completely empty. I do like these type of feeders. I've yet to see a dead bee in there, so they don't drown in these type of feeders that I've found. And these hold about 2 gallons. That's what they say, but 1.5 gallons is pushing it, I think, unless your hive is perfectly level. So let's see what we've got going on here. Well, they sound like they're a little ornery. I'll give them a little bit of smoke. I would be too if somebody came and woke me up. Oof, a lot of bees on the bottom. A lot of comb too. I'm going to have to do something about some of that. Let's take this feeder off. Set that down. You see all that burr comb they're building up in the top feeder, trying to store all this sugar water anywhere they can. I'm going to put this down in front and let them climb off a little bit before I clean it up. This looks like it is packed full of honey. Take a look down in that hive. Last time I was in this hive, I wasn't able to locate the queen, but we did see signs of her, so would like to get a good eye on her today and see how she looks. That's the heavy frame, heavy honey frame. Split some of it open, tore it open actually, pulling it out. That's alright. Take that off the inside of the hive. Another heavy honey frame. Solid capped honey, which is good. You're going to need it. Long winters here in Wisconsin. Another solid honey frame. We're getting a little bit of capped brood, very bottom. Otherwise, solid honey. Honey and pollen on this side. Lots of pollen. Oops. Sorry, girls. Another honey and pollen frame. Couple of cap brood, not many. Mostly nectar, pollen, and cap honey. And again, some more cap brood, pollen, honey all around. Same thing on this side. These are getting a little bumpy. Another honey frame, pollen on the bottom. I have a weird little cup here, like a grown cup. Fur comb on the bottom. Same thing on this side. And you can see the next frame of solid honey. Actually, the next three are. So we're not going to go any further into this top box. We're going to go ahead and clean up here. And then we'll come back and go through the bottom box. Well, you can see here, took off that top brood box. It looks like there was a lot of drone larvae in the bottom they had built up. So we're going to look at that real quick for any mites, signs of mites. They appear to all be nice shiny white larvae. A little close up here. Not seeing any mites whatsoever. Alright, let's take a quick look here. They're getting super aggravated with me. Just got blank outside frame. I've drawn it out pretty good. That side looks like it's starting to fill with honey. Nice pollen and honey frame. A little bit lucky, we'll look at the frame, find that clean, and get out of here. A little bit of brood here, larvae. More cap brood, cap honey, some eggs, some larvae. What else is in here? I'd like to see her. More cap brood. I got fresh eggs, so she's here. She is here somewhere. Nice to see that brood box developing into the bottom here. And we got more cap brood, pollen, honey. More cap brood. I'm told right now that the cap brood and eggs that they're laying are for winter bees, which are a hardier bee. And see here, I got a full frame of cap brood there. Looks like pretty well full on this side too. Well, those are good signs, I believe. Now I think we're getting back into some more honey stores. Yep. Nice honey frame. Oh, pollen frame. Boy, look at all that pollen. Solid pollen. Alright, we're going to get out of this hive. They're pissed off enough. I know the queen's in here. We found evidence of fresh eggs, larvae, and cat brood. Lots of honey stores. Looks like it's doing pretty good. We got some cleanup to do on Burcombe, but if you want to follow my hives up to the winter here and on, please subscribe. Any comments on what I'm doing or what I could do better, I would appreciate it. So please comment. Thanks.